This video will help you install the CT-15 series of wall mount transmitters. In this guide, we will show you the CT-154 unit installation, but the procedure is similar for all other series members. Before beginning your installation, please make sure to have the following items nearby: a marker, screwdriver, electric drill, drywall saw, and single gang low voltage mounting bracket. The CT-154 4-button wall transmitter is designed for indoor on-wall or in-wall installation. The on-wall installation will require a surface-mounted single-gang remodeling box. The in-wall installation will use the low-voltage mounting bracket. In this guide, we will cover in-wall installation only. First, make sure that the selected installation area is clear of any electrical and HVAC lines. In most cases, you would position the mounting bracket at the same height as other light switches in the room. Position the mounting bracket on the wall and mark a rectangle cutout on the drywall. The bracket should be mounted vertically. Using a drywall saw, cut a rectangle opening in the drywall. Insert the mounting bracket into the drywall cutout area and use a screwdriver to secure it to the wall. Insert the RJ45 connector of the data cable into the data socket on the back of the intercom station. Place the CT-154 on the mounting bracket and use 2 screws to secure it to the wall. Make sure the CT-154 transmitter is stable and mounted straight. The installation is done and the CT-154 transmitter is ready to be tested.